Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know who saved your playlist on Spotify. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Spotify app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to see who saved your playlist on Spotify, you need to go to your library. Here you can see the library icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now once you're in your library, you can see the list of playlists that is available in your account. And if you have multiple users in your account, in order to see which users created that playlist or which user saved your playlist, you need to go to that particular playlist first. You can go to any playlist for now. And once you're in the playlist, below the name of the playlist, you can see the person's icon. That's the profile who saved this playlist. Or you can also even tap on this three dot icon over here. And below the name of the profile, here you can see by and the account profile name. So this is the profile who saved this playlist on this Spotify account. So that's it. That's how you can easily know who saved your playlist on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.